was confused.
I get it though. I
How
get
is it?
We know they're like really good. The Hong sisters are good. Kim Son Ho and Go Young Jung are amazing. Bakit hindi ako na-elevate nung kwento? Parang hindi nagpo-progress. Parang hindi, yung tension is not going up.
Yeah.
Alam, may ganung vibe for me.
Ako lang ba yung hindi kinilig sa kanilang dalawa?
Oh, I don't wanna be bad.
No, I like straight
honestly.
up. And ito na naman yung frustrating because they're both so good.
Oo.
And grabe din naman mag-react si Go Yoon Jung sa mga pakyut ni Sono. Ganon din tayo mag-react doon.
Correct.
Pareho. Pero bakit hindi nakakakilig?
One, two, sarang!
Hey! Annyeong! This is Monica.
Hello, my name is Pia.
What's up, everyone? This is Trency, and welcome to another episode and season 9 comeback of One, Two, Sarang! Yay!
Struggle.
Hirap. Grabe. How are you, Sarang Base? Did you miss us? Kasi miss namin kayo. Di ba? Miss natin sila.
Yes.
Oo
Oo,
naman.
sobrang miss na miss. Kaya ito po ang ating opening question, no? Para sa inyo at para sa ating
Okay.
Sarang Base. Kung magkakaroon kayo ng quick getaway with your bias, ultimate bias ha, saan kayo pupunta? Sa Japan, Canada, Italy, South Korea, or in Mindanao?
Ay!
Saan?
Ay!
Saan ang quick getaway na yan? Sa Kinapawan?
Oo, Mindanao na.
Tapos di na ibabalik sa Korea.
Exactly.
Yun eh.
So, ang bias ko, kilala nyo, ang pangalan niya ay Dino. And dadaling ko siya sa Canada. Just cause he's been to Italy, I've been to Italy. He's been to Japan also, and gets. Canada yung
Parang
common
hindi pa siya
denominator na hindi pa siya nakakapunta. At ako rin. Like, yung mountains.
para you can explore together.
Oo.
Ganon.
Yes.
I don't think he's a camping person, but whatever.
I
He
don't
seems
know.
like he is.
Ah, yeah,
There's
he is,
also a lot of
he
things
is,
to
yeah.
do in Canada. I
Truly.
think. Eat
Yeah, we can
fries.
throw axe. Oh my God. I've always wanted to do
And
that.
each
tip
other.
cows.
Oo.
Cow tipping.
Cow tipping. Or be rangers.
Oh my God.
Mountaineers. Ano? Hindi
Correct.
mountaineers. Mounties? Mounties.
Uy, kinikilig na ako.
How about you, Pia?
Mindanao na to. Siyempre, yun na talaga.
Hindi na Pinoy.
Oo, alam mo, Lee Sang-won.
Girl!
Alam mo, Lee Sang-won, dadalhin kita sa Mindanao nang mahanap mo nang makita mo ang hinahanap mo. Tinagalog na hirapan.
Oo.
Ayun lang
At
naman.
anong mahanap niya?
Ako?
So
Ako
hindi
na.
ka susundo sa kanya sa airport?
Hindi.
Biglang...
Ano yun? Choose your own adventure.
Okay. So parang bibigyan mo siya ng letter. Tapos
Oo.
andun lahat ng mga kailangan niyang gawin.
Oo.
Ang saya!
Di ba? Treasure hunt.
Grabe, treasure hunt. Okay. Para
Cute.
sa akin, I mean, obvious naman kung sinong bias ko. DK, hello. At alam mo naman kung saan kami pupunta. Kasi doon kami ikakasal. Sa Italy!
Ayun nga pala!
Huwag natin kakalimutan.
Correct.
Doon kami ikakasal. Sa
Yes.
Pisa.
Yeah.
Oo.
Sa Tower of Pisa na katabi ng restaurant kung saan ang reception na ang Tower of Pisa.
Oo, correct.
yes.
Correct.
Yun
Oh
ang
my
pangalan.
God.
Okay. So bakit ba kami nag-uusapang quick getaway destinations? Because for our first episode this season, ang pag-uusapan po natin ay ang pinaka-aabangan naming pag-usapan, which is ang K-drama called Can This Love Be Translated?
Oh, ayun o. Ayun na yung hint.
Ay, ito pala. Ayan.
Ayan. O, diba? Bago namin pakana, guys.
Oo nga, kasi nandito na kami sa aming studio.
On top of
Yes.
everything else.
Oo.
Ang dami. Oo.
Oo. Siguro ano lang, just for our Sarang base, no, na nakatutok sa amin for a very long time, expect more of this setup. So, dati, nasa Zoom kami. Nag-mature na po kami, guys.
Correct.
Oo, go with the flow na kami sa mundo ngayong 2026, no?
Correct.
Magkakasama na kami. So, you'll have more of this energy to watch and listen to in the future. Baka lang masyadong maingay, let us know. We are gonna be talking about Can This Love Be Translated? And we are excited to talk about this kasi ito ang pagbabalik ng aming Alt Bias of 2022, Kim Son Oh my God.
Opa,
Monica,
my
okay ka lang?
God.
Kaya pa ba?
Marami akong sasabihin
Marami
about
siyang
that. Yes.
choice words for him. Oo, ayun. In One to Sarang, we really go in depth. So ito yung mga pag-uusapan natin this discussion. So I want to ask the girls and the Sarang base out there, if you have to describe, can this love be translated using just one or two words, what would they be? And what made you feel that way? I want to ask everyone, what is the heart of Can This Love Be Translated? And do you think the drama actually delivered on what it was trying to say? Dahil marami siyang gustong sabihin.
Sobrang dami.
And of course, because it's a K-drama about love and finding our way to love, maraming lessons siyang na-impart. So looking at Hojin and Muhi's relationship, our leads, what love lesson really struck with you? Okay? At kung magagamit tong love lesson sa iyong buhay, gagawin ba yon? What moment in your life magagamit mo yung lesson na yon? And last question, no? Dahil ito na nga ang pagbabalik ng ating Kim Son Ho. Ano ang na-miss nyo sa kanya when you've seen him in this K-drama? Anong nakakamiss sa ating Kim Son Ho?
I can't wait for that part.
Oo nga. Ay, ikaw, kaiyak ka.
Ay, okay lang.
Ano, kaya.
Oh, kaya.
And before we get into our discussion, Sarang Base and anyone who's listening out there, huwag niyong kakalimutan na i-follow and subscribe ang aming show. Marami pa tayong pag-uusapan this season, kaya please do that. And of course, share this episode to your friends na mga sonhohadas or mga K-drama fans lang talaga who want to go in depth sa mga discussion ng K-dramas.
Yes.
Alright. Okay. Let us begin.
Okay,
ito na po ang aking mga notes.
May notes siya, oh.
May notes ako, guys. Oo,
Gusto
kailangan
ko ng clipboard.
Okay, no clipboard, no? Ang show nga na to, I Can This Love Be Translated, it is on Netflix. It has 12 episodes. It dropped January 16. And it is written by, of course, the legendary Hong sisters. So you know about them, di ba? Hotel de Luna, Alchemy of Souls. It is directed by another female director, si Yoo Young-un. So Yoo Young-un is actually pretty new in the game. So this is her first big K-drama. So kaya sobrang wow, exciting for her. Yes, okay. And since ito ang pagbabalik natin, ang comeback ng season 9, babalikan po natin ang Asian Wiki, no? Sa ating synopsis. Okay, at ang ganda-ganda ng synopsis ng Asian Wiki. Babasahin ko po para sa inyo with feelings. Ju Ho-jin is a multilingual interpreter with extraordinary language skills including English, Japanese, and Italian. He begins to work for star Cha Moo-hee as her interpreter. She has bright charms and is always confident. Period. Asian Wiki.
Thank you so much.
Diba?
Beautiful.
Grabe, yes, that's it.
It ends with confidence?
Yes.
Yes.
Because
doesn't it start and end with
correct.
confidence?
Oo nga, di ba?
Correct.
As women, we have to be confident. Di ba?
Period.
Rexona confidence.
Yes.
Hi, Rexona. We're confident. Oo. Pero nadagdagan natin care of ChatGPT para lang makompleto ang story. So as the relationship unfolds across different countries, the series explores whether love can truly be understood through words or if it's something that has to be felt and experienced.
Oh, premium ka, no?
Hindi. I would like to think it's my amazing prompting skills. Okay, ang cast natin, Cha Moo-hee or Dorami. Si Go Yoon-jung, we've seen her in Alchemy of Souls, Moving, and Resident Playbook. Amazing actress. Ju Ho-jin, of course, guys. Si Kim Son Ho ang pagbabalik after 5 whole years. 5 whole years.
As the lead. Kasi nandun siya
As
sa
the
Ken...
lead, oo.
ano
Sa...
The chilled.
Oo.
No, the
It's how When Life
tangerines.
Gives You Tangerines. But
the
as a lead.
cameo.
Oo. As a lead guy, itong pagbabalik niya. Tsaka dun sa When Life Gives You Tangerines, parang ginulat lang niya tayo.
Correct.
Andiyan pala siya.
Correct.
So
Tapos
parang...
butterflies.
Oo nga, parang, oh my gosh,
Diyan siya.
sobrang cute pa naman
Tatlo,
talaga yan
ganon.
dun. Oo, naku po. And ang ating third party dito sa ating love triangle-ish na to, si Hiro Kurosawa is the character played by Japanese actor Sota Fukushi, also Kim Min-gyu's distant cousin.
I think,
Really?
no, it's the Japanese version of Kai.
my God.
Pwede.
Guys, parang kailangan niya sumayaw ng love shot.
Oh
As in,
my
the first time siyang lumabas.
God.
My gosh, that makes sense.
Right? Sa
Correct.
Japanese guy.
So
Moreno,
pogi.
smoldering
Oo
look.
nga.
Tapos
Playful.
playful. Tapos
Oo,
parang
tanga.
matampuhin na.
Oo, matampuhin.
ewan.
Medyo
Oo,
parang
very
tanga.
Thai.
Yung character, hindi siya. Ina-assume na si Sota. Ay, ganun
Hindi pa kami close.
Oo nga. Pero ito close namin siya kasi ang pogi po
Ang
niya.
pogi niya.
Sobrang pogi niya. Oh my
Oo,
God.
sobra. And then we have Shin Ji-sun. She's the producer and also the earlier love interest of
I love
our Kim
her.
Son-ho.
I love her as well.
Yes, played by Lee Dam. We saw her in Daily Dose of Sunshine.
Yes.
Yes.
And the
Mm.
amazing.
Yes,
that,
super.
That performance there
Galing niya
was.
dun.
If you guys haven't seen
Mm.
ano yun? Sunshine?
Daily Dose.
Daily Dose of Sunshine.
Mm.
My God, ang galing-galing niya
Oo,
doon.
panoorin nyo.
As in.
And lastly, we have, actually, parang bet ni Monica tong character na to. Eh.
Kinikilig.
Oo, kinikilig na siya. Dami yung kilig today. Okay, ano ba nangyari?
Is so happy.
Your birthday?
Oh my, yeah. Basta may birthday special.
Oo,
today.
correct.
Okay.
Yun. So, ang pangalan ng character ay si Kim Yong-woo, played by Choi Woo-song. Very new actor. We last saw him in My Roommate is a Gumiho and my favorite K-drama na selling, real estate, and horror, Sell Your Haunted House.
Oh, yeah.
And just a quick roundup lang, Netflix hit itong show na to. We have all seen it rise the charts. And it's number one. It was number one in 36 countries when it was released. And I think testament lang to ng power ng isang Kim Son.
Correct.
And the Hong sisters.
And the Hong sisters,
And Go Yung
of course.
Jong.
And
Of
Go Yung
course.
Jong. Correct. Totoo yan.
Actually, medyo matagal na, I mean, Feb na. This was released Jan.
Mm-mm.
But there were a bunch of Sarang Bays who messaged us asking for a review of this.
Oo, eto
So,
na nga.
it was so big na parang kahit na medyo nahuli na kami, very slight, kailangan.
Correct. As in.
Easy decision.
Oo. Easy decision making. Yes.
Sorry guys, nag-adjust pa kami.
No, it's called parroting.
Okay.
It shows I have rapport with you.
Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Wait till she talks to herself, guys.
Yun ang ultimate rapport. Which you should have. We should have. It's called Love Yourself. Ani pa nga ng BTS.
Oo.
Oo. Kung ARMY kayo, may gets yan. Alright. Okay, now we get in depth. I want to ask you girls, if you had to describe, can this love be translated? Using one or two words, what would it be and why?
What did it be? Bibi?
Ulitin ko! Sorry naman, stuttering. Okay.
For me, it's very introspective. This K-drama forces you to really look deep and understand things beyond what is being shown on screen. Personally, ako madami din akong mga stuff na pinagdaanan because Year of the Snake, you sucked! Bye! And this really helped me like with the introspection, and I think I'll add to that with another question later on. So very introspective.
Okay, one word. Here it goes.
Wow! Kakanta ka ba?
Hindi naman. I was confused.
Oh.
Really? Yeah, I was so confused. Like,
I get it, though. I
how
get
is it? Pinanood ko siya,
Mm.
naintindihan ko kung ano yung gusto niyang sabihin.
Mm.
Naintindihan ko yung mga layers, and even the Hong sister style. I mean,
Yeah.
I haven't seen Hotel de Luna, but I saw AOS.
Yeah.
And like, nag-gets ko na parang okay lang na may, achiche moments.
Oo,
Alam mo yun?
correct.
Like, it was part of it.
Mm-mm.
But, tas kinilig ako sa moments
Mm-mm.
na super nakakakilig.
Mm.
Pero hindi ko maintindihan kung bakit hindi ako nag-latch on
Gets.
to the love story.
Oh my God!
Mm.
I know why.
Oh.
Anyway. Ako may personal akong something about it.
Ako
Ah.
rin, papunta rin ako
Oo.
doon.
Oh, sige. Pupuntahan natin yan.
Yun nga. So,
Pupuntahan
yung
natin
first
yan.
confusion ko,
Oo.
na parang, ba't wala akong pakaya? I mean,
Oo.
naman, alam mo yun?
Agreed.
Like, tas ang klaro naman. And at the same time, parang confused din ako kasi parang gets ko naman, I get the formula of the Hong sisters.
Oo.
Pero parang, there came a point na hindi ko na siya ina-accept, I guess.
Ah.
Like, at the beginning, sobrang natuwa ako. In fact,
Oo.
I love the ka-OA na coma siya because of a filming accident.
Yeah.
Filming pa talaga. So, syempre, parang Ooh, that hits
Kind of your
close to
jam,
home.
getting
Alam mo yun?
accidents
Yeah.
during filming.
No, hindi naman ako na-accident
Hindi
ever.
naman to that
pero parang
level.
gets. That's like,
Oo.
a reality that
Correct.
I lived before,
Mm-mm.
through before. And then, kinabs ko na yung, yung logical and ethical
Oo.
question. So parang, talaga, i-release nyo talaga yung pelikula
Correct.
kahit
Oo.
may coma.
Oo.
In Korea.
In Korea?
Hello.
Like,
Oo.
what if she died? Alam mo yun?
Exactly.
Like, maswerte kayo na she didn't. She woke up and then,
Correct.
overnight sensation. Like, suddenly, she wakes up and she's freaking rich and popular and all
Correct.
that. I let it go.
Yeah.
Like, fantasy, blah, blah, blah. Pero parang, habang patagal ng patagal habang nagpo-progress yung film, ay, yung K-drama, like, oh, wow, vineyard. Owned by Ho Jin's mother.
Oo.
Vineyard, pero orchard yung pinapakita.
Correct,
Diba?
correct.
Wala
Correct,
yung
correct.
grapes.
Oo.
Ang pinapakita ay olives.
Correct.
Ay, tas may kasal ng nanay ni Hoj. Alam mo yun?
Oo.
And then by the end talaga, yung parang nalaman, sorry, spoiler to, so kung hindi nyo pa napapanood,
Oh, yes. Oo
sorry,
nga.
I'm gonna spoil.
Spoiler
But I
alert,
mean,
guys.
But come on, siguro
Clinic
naman,
yun eh.
by,
Oo.
oo nga
Okay na
eh.
yan. Oo.
Parang yung lalo na yung end talaga na parang, di ba, ang laki, ang strong ng trauma ni Muhi, tas buhay pa pala yung tatay niya. Parang,
That was
tas
weird.
parang, uy,
Correct.
alis muna ako, hanapin ko muna siya.
Correct.
Wait lang
Mm.
May
Correct.
gano'n na parang, alam mo yun, ang dami mo
Oo.
ng kamot ulo sa
Oo.
sa dulo
Correct.
na hindi ko maintindihan kasi parang nagigets ko naman yung formula, kung saan na pinanggalingan yung kwento, yung yung mga atake and all that stuff. But I don't care. I mean,
Yeah.
or like ayoko na. Parang ayoko na, ganun.
Correct.
Pero gusto ko siya. Kasi
Oo,
ang galing ng
gets.
dalawa. Ang
Yeah,
galing ng,
super
alam mo
gets.
yun. So parang
Yeah.
I was so
Oo.
confused.
Oo.
Yeah. Yon. And there was a second angling pa ng confusion kasi parang basically the love story was difficult. And we had a recent conversation with a friend na parang she's in a new relationship and she was saying kasi na parang ganito pa pala yung love. Like, it's so easy. And like, so parang while everything was happening in my head, yeah, I mean, of course, you fight for love, but are they gonna last? Parang ganon. Because it's not easy love.
Oo.
So parang ang dami kong mga commentary in my head. No, blah, blah, blah. I mean, actually, it doesn't matter. But anyway, it was just a commentary.
Oo. Parang ako, I wanna delve deep into that. Kasi parang I share like sentiments like that as well
Yeah.
about the show. And I wanna understand why.
Yeah.
Kasi parang, because we know they're like really good. The Hong sisters are good. Kim Son Ho and Go Young Jung are amazing. So, pag-usapan natin yan as we like go through the different elements of the show. Kasi feeling ko somewhere there, parang feeling ko may ganun
Yeah,
ng konti.
yeah,
Parang
oo,
they were trying to
oo.
do something and maybe it didn't work out.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oo.
And sorry, last na. You can't say na parang hindi ko siya pinag-isipan. Si Nunas Nunshi.
Correct.
She did a post. She said a post na parang, this is the type of drama na hindi mo pwedeng i-binge. Okay, I admit, binge ko siya.
Oo.
Did it add to like my confusion? Or I don't think so. Kasi parang it's been weeks. And I feel like naisip ko na naman, I mean, gets.
Oo.
I was able to like, I tried to uncover, I
Correct.
tried to like unlayer my thoughts
Oo.
towards it.
Tama.
Pero parang gets ko what she was saying na parang it's the type talaga na introspective kasi siya masyado na you can't just attack it, you can't just watch it dire-diretso. Like you have to think after every episode, which
But I
makes it a chore.
But I think more than that, there's a lot of fault in the storytelling, especially towards the end, which always
nga.
happens with the Hong sisters
Yeah.
anyway. Kaya hindi siya binge-worthy. Kasi maganda yung umpisa eh.
Oo.
And then towards the end, what the hell? Did I really just
Oh my
waste this much
God.
hours of my life? Feeling ko ganun eh.
Oh, I thought you guys super loved it. Kaya my
Not
word was
really.
confusion.
No, but yeah, because parang if you go through reviews kasi parang like, oh my God, it's 85%
It's like
in
fantastic.
Rotten
Oo,
Tomatoes.
oo.
Ganun. So parang ako like, am I missing something here?
I
Because I
know.
also wasn't able to latch onto it as much as I would have wanted to.
Yeah.
Because I can see that they're amazing. As in, Kim Son Ho, Go Yoon Jung, oh my God, she is so great here. As in,
Yes.
parang I think this is the best work
Yes.
she's done for me. Like,
Correct.
alam mo yun, parang we always praise yung mga actresses who do like characters na parehas. Parang si
Yung mga
what's her
doble
name?
cara type.
Doble cara.
Yung
Isa
our Unwritten Soul.
Unwritten
yung mga
Soul,
ganon.
diba? So parang, I haven't seen
Boyong.
that. Pero for me, what she did here was as in remarkable.
Not like IU and When Life Gives You Tangerines.
Hey,
I'm
ako.
sorry, Ayu. Pero Go
defend
Jung, oh
IU.
my God, amazing.
Yes.
But then like, why
Fantastic.
is this? I mean, and I feel like it all boils down to writing
Yeah.
and
Agree.
making sure that, anyway, so we'll get to that, I guess, a little later. We
Yeah.
have, pinangunahan namin mga sarili namin.
I know.
Oo. So, siguro lastly lang to wrap up this question, for me naman, ang word ko is surreal. Surreal. De, joke lang. Surreal. Kasi parang like, essentially what it was trying, it was surreal, but it was like going through like a lot of like real problems, I guess.
Yes.
But it was attacking it from a very surreal, abstract
Yeah.
kind of point
Yeah.
of view. Ganon. Ang tanong, did it work? Yun lang. Did it work? Okay, so yun tayo sa meat ng question na to, na meat ng discussion na to, na feeling ko dito tayo magtatagal, no? Kasi mukhang marami tayong kailangan himayin. I think when we do like in-depth K-drama stuff, I feel like we always try to look for the intention naman din talaga of the show itself, di ba? Which is why I wanted to ask this question nga, parang, ano ba ang heart nitong show na to? So basically, what is it trying to say? And was it able to say it? Was it able to execute the point that it's trying to go for? So, I guess it started with Mon. Marami siyang feelings. Ano sa tingin mo?
I mean, communication. I think it's about the importance, I'm out of words. It's about communication and the multi-layers of people
Correct.
na kailangang himayin and your choice to either understand it or not, to
Totoo.
translate it or
Oo
not.
nga.
Parang
Correct.
ganun.
Oo.
So,
Internal tatago.
connection, basically.
Mm-mm.
I think that's what it's about.
Oo.
And honestly, I think in terms of like synopsis, like I'm sure when they submitted like the project
Oo.
to Netflix or something, this
Oo.
is what it's about.
Oo.
I think it's great na parang using a translator
Mm.
and a person, both persons having trauma, multi layers of whatever it is that they're
Oo.
going through. It's great. It sounds great on
Mm.
paper, I
Oo.
feel. And buti na lang din ang ganda ng mga setting.
True.
Like,
Fantastic.
I honestly watched it till the end because ang gaganda ng mga location.
Oo.
Like, and I love languages, I love geography. So parang, although nainis nga ako dahil medyo bitin kasi parang, yun lang yung countries. Although madami na yun if you think about it.
So, pa sila gusto papuntahin, girl?
Pero nakakatawa yung mga repeat, like yung halatang Korea, yung Italy nila na nasa
oo.
Vincenzo din.
Oo,
Yung
correct.
Italy. Tapos yung parang hotel sa Canada na
Oo.
yung ilaw pumapatay kapag pumasok ka.
Uy, nakakatawa
Oo.
yun.
Diba?
Oo,
Parang
correct.
Sobrang nakakatawa
Tapos
yun.
yung wedding set na kung saan nila film yung darling.
Correct. Exactly.
Yun ba yun? Really? Oh my God, is it except?
Yung may umbrella pa si Dino.
Oo.
Kasi may mic stand si Song Kwan.
Yun.
But you know what? I mean, siguro coming from a filmmaking perspective,
Oo.
I loved it.
Oo.
Na kahit na familiar siya.
Correct.
Kasi parang it's
Na-transport
them.
ka pa rin naman.
And it's them using logic to
Correct.
I don't know, manage expenses,
Correct.
I guess.
Totoo naman.
Because they can't shoot everything abroad,
Oo,
diba? Pero
exactly.
fasad lang naman yung mga ganyan
Correct,
usually.
exactly.
What's the question again? Ang dami na
So,
nasabi
ano
kasi.
yung, what is it about?
What is it about?
What it's about? It's about
Well, I think
connection.
you've answered that
I
na.
think I've answered na
Oo.
naman. It's about connection.
But were they able to execute that?
Ang hilig, itong show na to made me realize na siguro hindi ako pang Hong Sisters talaga. Kasi, I mean, I love fantasy, I love surreal, I love
Correct.
all that stuff.
Absurdo. Ganun.
Yeah, absurd.
Mm.
But, syempre, yung utak ko rin, I also know myself, like, masyado
Oo.
akong logic-based din. Like, if it's absurd, if it's surreal, like, ito doon na.
Oo.
Hindi yung parang a little bit in between.
In between.
Alam mo yun.
Oo.
And yung mga, the way it was written kasi, ang daming mga parang, they feel like afterthoughts.
Yes,
Which
agreed.
parts?
Like, yun nga, yung buhay pa pala yung
Yung tatay.
tatay,
Oo
mga
nga.
ganun.
Para lang ma-round up yung kwento niya in a
Oo.
positive light, no?
Tapos
Yeah, hindi
yung,
siya necessary.
even like the mom, the Italian, Italy mom. Tapos
correct.
biglang
Oo.
ikakasal pala siya to this hot Italian dude. Alam mo
Correct,
yun?
Oo.
And then,
Who's 10 years younger than her.
I
She
know.
is our spirit animal.
I love her. I
Oo.
love her.
Yeah.
Her character,
Correct.
like, that's a dream too.
Yeah.
Wow, a dream.
A dream!
To own
Alam
an
mo, Tarlac
orchard.
lang.
Kung may Italy option, why not,
Oo,
di ba?
totoo naman.
But like, at the same time, okay, sige, so bigyan natin ng layer, bigyan natin ng background si Hojin. So
Correct.
ito, pasok natin to. But did they even fix it? Parang hindi nga eh. Kasi parang description na lang yung mga ginawa eh. Parang later on na lang sinabi na, yeah, binenta na yung house.
Correct,
Tapos
correct.
what do you call that? Dinonate yung books sa
Oo.
university, etc.
Yeah.
Parang ang daming, okay.
Yeah.
Oo.
Like, tamad.
Oo.
Alam mo yun?
Oo.
Tamad, ala.
Even at the start, I have to say that I was so confused with Hojin's character. Why is he like that?
Yeah.
As in ganun, tas ang tagal nung backstory na, ganun pa rin yung pamilya niya. And yet, bakit nga?
Oo.
Yun nga.
Bakit pa siya
eh.
ganyan na parang tsundere, tapos translator? Bakit? Hindi ko maintindihan.
Na-writer dati. Kaya lang
Ano
yung
nga
nanay niya,
eh.
ayaw yung libro na
Oo,
ginawa niya. Kasi tungkol sa marriage niya.
I know. Like, but that's not even the
Mm.
focus kasi parang at the
Mm.
beginning, ang pinupush din is he lives a broken-hearted life.
Oo,
Kasi
oo.
yung brother niya is with the woman he loves.
Yeah.
Stuff like that.
Na parang hindi pala masyado niyang love, ano?
Eh, kasi ang bilis nila nito.
Towards the middle, parang nasa na.
Oo,
Correct.
wala.
Oo.
Parang,
I must say too, like what is that thing that parang habang pinapanood mo, ang dami mo questions, but it's making you feel like you have to like it. Does that make sense?
Because it
really?
feels like they're trying hard. Ako, ayun yung naramdaman ko eh. Kasi parang, I feel like also, parang Kim Son Ho siya, Hong sister siya, alam mo yun. And you can see how hard they worked on it. But, yun lang, unfortunately, the show is called Can This Love Be Translated? It's just not translating.
Yeah.
Like, the love, there's so many thoughts in one page. Alam mo yun. And then, yun yung frustrating part for me about the writing. Kasi, parang, obviously, they want it to feel kind of distilled in a way.
Mm.
Pero parang, hindi siya ganun.
Yeah.
Parang, it's just forcing a lot of, like, alam mo, parang ideas down your throat. So, parang, it's just overwhelming. But then, yun nga, parang you see how hard they worked on it, na parang,
nga eh.
I want to like it so much.
Oo.
And then you question yourself. Parang, alam mo, ginaslight yung sarili ko.
Ako
ginaslight
rin.
eh. Kasi parang, ko, ako ba may problema? Like,
Same.
ano ba ako agad ng review? Sabi ko, am I the problem?
Oh
Like,
my God, same.
what part of the show is do I not understand? Because everyone seems to like it.
Oo. Parang when I go through like the Reddits and the
Mm.
yung ang daming mga faction, parang
Oo.
ang daming mga nagsasabi na
They hated on Reddit though.
not Reddit,
Twitter.
Twitter.
No, not
Oo.
Twitter.
Threads.
Threads.
Parang
Depende
yung
sa-
mga defenders
Ah.
na parang why they feel like mali yung mga taong nakaramdam na they don't like the show. Something like that.
Grabe naman.
Anyway, point na naman, parehong sides naman yung binabasa ko.
Mm.
And I get both sides. So parang I was left with, so anong pipiliin ko? Kaya nga yung word ko confusion.
Oo,
Kasi
gets.
parang, because I do like it. I know,
Oo.
I get what they're saying on one hand. But I'm not satisfied. So parang,
Yeah.
ano na? Alam mo
Oo,
yun?
totoo naman. How about you, Pia? What are your thoughts on this? Ano yung point ng show na to for you?
Understanding or decoding the things that are not said.
Mm.
Parang yun yung recurring theme din na laging sinasabi kay Sono's character, di ba?
Correct.
Na
Oo.
you have to understand kasi ikaw, you can translate it literally. So you have to read between the lines. So parang yun yung theme na parang pinaka nagko-connect nun lahat sa akin. I think I'm more towards the side that liked it, but I don't love it.
Yeah.
But I like it because of Go Yoon-jong being so perfect. I'm
My
so in love
God.
with her.
Sobra.
As in, siya talaga yung parang, kaya siya mahirap i-translate kasi ang galing ng mga nuances ng
Correct.
lahat ng characterization
Oo.
na ginagawa niya.
Mm.
And
Agree.
sobrang parang dun pa lang sa Alchemy of Souls, di ba? Yung unang labas pa lang niya, sabi ko, putang ina, ganda naman itong babae.
Oo.
Diba?
Diba?
At umaarte pa siya.
Diba?
Yung hindi lang siya tas alam mo yun, after that, na Residence Playbook, I love her there too. Pero dito kasi, parang sobrang iba yung presenta niya.
Oo.
And parang from her interview, she's always also like kind of, ganito siya talaga, rough around the edges, kind of girly. So, I really love
Very
her.
Dorami, ah.
So, siya talaga.
Oo.
So, siya talaga. Parang I like it because of her more than Sono.
Oo.
Si Go Eun Jung
Same.
talaga,
I agree.
yung
Oh my
sobrang
God.
favorite part ko dito.
Sorry, Sonho!
I know. Anyway, go.
Pero, kaya talaga sobrang napa-introspect ako. Parang yun nga, yung parang going back to like, that's it, that's what you do. Di ba yung sasabi sa psychology? You name that devil so that you can talk to that devil and
Correct.
label that person who's talking in
Yes.
your head.
Yeah.
Parang sobrang gusto ko yun. The Hong sisters are known for world building.
Yes.
They did not build a world here. That's their
Uh-uh.
first attempt to write something more real.
Yeah.
And yung pinaka, ano na lang, I guess it did not work. Pero, come to think of it, kahit Alchemy of Souls hindi natin nagustuhan eh.
No.
True,
The
totoo.
only thing that I like from them is Hotel de Luna. Pero parang even that was not perfect. I loved it because IUPO. Parang ganon. So like, I think the saving grace lang talaga of this, para sa akin talaga, I love you, Sono, Go Eun Jung.
Same.
Same.
Can I just say then sa Hong sisters, here's another female character na kailangan ng tulong. Does that make sense? Or parang siya yung parang kailangan ni unlayer. Kasi from what I didn't watch Hotel de Luna, pero from what I understand, IU's character is this like ice cold person being na
Well,
kailangan
not a person, more of like a god,
Yeah,
a demigod
being,
who's
yeah.
lived throughout all of
so
these
many.
years.
Na
Yeah.
parang kumbaga hinahanap
Centuries.
yung I guess humanity or alam mo yun, parang
More of like
yung
her love.
heart. Oo.
Oo.
Hinahanap ulit yung heart niya. Parang that kind of thing. And then with AOS naman, a blind girl na hinahanap yung fate, I guess. And then here's Chamuir, a deeply traumatized person. Tapos basically someone needs to help her out. Someone needs to decode her, parang ganon. I'm not saying naman na those kind of stories are bad. I mean, you know, we need those stories too din naman. But
It was the execution that was bad.
yeah, I guess.
It was the
Mas
writing,
parang,
really.
Because siguro dahil nga hindi ako super satisfied with the writing here. Napaisip ako ng ganon na parang, ayun na naman, damsel in distress. Parang ganon. So honestly, it didn't feel like the Hong sisters tried something new. Maybe the setting, like it's not a studio set.
Tsaka hindi na siya nga yung parang fantastic masyado. It's only Dorami who was like,
It was
not from this world.
there's a little bit of fantasy in terms of like kunwari yung Northern Lights, yung mga ganon.
Oo.
I think the
most fantastic you can do in real life.
Yeah.
Oo,
I think
but
that's
by
still
grounding it pa rin.
fantastical pa rin naman.
Oo.
But like, it's still, you can still see it if you go to Canada or Iceland or
Exactly.
something.
I really like actually yun. I think yung element of the fantasticism yung nagustuhan ko din dito. Pero parang at a certain point, nawala siya. Parang it kind of petered out
correct,
until the end. And that's what got me hooked sa start eh. Like I really
Exactly.
love,
Same.
yun nga, as you mentioned earlier, yung parang, yung konsepto na nahulog siya, tapos nakoma siya, and
Ganda
then,
pa nung shot
ganda pa
nun.
nung shot nun, di ba? Sobrang, I love that. Parang it's kind of absurd, but parang in the kind of world that they're trying to create, parang it makes sense. And then all of a sudden, pakonti si Dorami. And then yung mga ganung moments, pawala ng pawala. And then everything is just kind of like in this weird, real, unreal situation. And, I mean, yun nga na-sad pa ako kasi parang Dorami is such a big part of, like, the character of Chamuhi. Alam mo, nung end, bigyan lang siyang nawala.
Correct.
Parang hindi man lang siya binigyan ng satisfying farewell because she's there, 'di ba? As part of her, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Sabi pa nga 'di ba parang name the devil, 'di ba? So parang ma-let go mo siya. And yun nga nalaman natin na yung pala yung nanay pa niya, 'di ba?
Oo.
Nakamukha pala niya.
Oo.
Kamukha pala niya yung nanay
Ang
niya.
cute ng house nila do, mukhang Polly Pocket.
Correct. Oo. And then mawawala na lang siya. So yung internal, I guess siguro yung fantastical element is the internal world of
Yeah.
Chamuhi that they were creating.
Yeah.
So, ang ganda pa nga nung parang like, yung bahay niya na sobrang Polly Pocket colors, ganan, yung little self niya na nandun, and everything's like so bright. And then, bigla na lang nawala lahat yun. So, parang ang sad lang na parang it got me to that place and then hindi na tinuloy. So,
Ang daming mga ganun eh. Parang ang daming
ang
mga
daming-
ignited points.
correct.
Pero hindi siya tuhog as one.
Yeah.
Totoo.
Parang ganun.
Yeah.
What do you guys think about yung relationship nilang dalawa, ni Chamuhi tsaka ni Hojin? Did it work out for you? Diba?
They're not gonna last, Char.
Wow! Monica!
Hindi naman. I wouldn't know.
Cynic. Mm.
I mean, hey, I like that bit. I was mentioning earlier na parang this is difficult love.
Oo.
And then, parallel to that, there's easy love. Yung manager ni Chamuhi na cute.
Oh.
Tsaka
Yeah.
yung
First
ex-crush,
love.
first
Oo.
love.
Si
Ni
Shin
Hojin,
Ji-sun.
oo.
Mm-mm.
Parang ang easy lang. And like, they try. And I'm glad. I actually really like that injection. Na parang hindi siya masyadong pinush as second lead, love story.
Mm.
And walang masyadong drama. The drama was, hey, I'm going to leave the company because I'm gonna manage a freaking football
His
club.
dream, yeah.
Because mayaman pala siya.
Correct.
May
Daming
connection pa
whatever,
mga nepo
oo.
baby.
Correct.
Tapos, natatakot siya. Ang cute no, nung nag-propose siya. Tapos yung mga friends niya.
Oo.
Cute nun pala. Oh my God.
Oo,
Actually,
oo,
sobrang
ayun.
love ko yung dalawang yun.
Oo.
Yung lasing siya. Tapos
Oo.
parang biglang, oh, here's the picture of my boyfriend. Tapos ganun siya. Tapos nandun na siya.
Oo.
Ay, ang cute. Tapos biglang nag-propose. Tapos biglang, hindi mo na kailangan mag-propose. Okay lang. Pwede rin akong pumunta London.
Oo.
Magsa-States dapat. Pero okay lang mag-London.
Oo.
Cute. Yes, parang ang cute, ang
Sobra.
easy. So I like that there's that kind of, alam mo yun, hindi yun difficult. Kasi yung love story ni Hojin and Muhi. I feel like if I was one of their friends, if Hojin was the type who would like have a friend na parang inom tayo and then
Pag-usapan natin.
pag-usapan
Problema
natin.
ko.
Tapos every night mag-uusap about it.
Oo.
Like, ito na naman. Alam mo yun? I'm
Oo.
pretty sure yun yung magiging thought process ko. Ito na naman.
Oo.
Ang ikot na naman. Ano nung bago? Ano na
Oo,
naman?
correct,
Parang ganon.
oo.
Not that there's anything wrong with that because that happens kasi humans are very complex beings.
True
Alam mo
that.
yun? Ang dami
Oo,
nating
totoo yan.
layers and all that.
Mm-mm.
But, wait, what's my point? Di ko alam. In terms of
The relationship.
I guess it's
Nakakapagod
it's real
sila.
Naman. Nakakapagod, but I guess it's real.
Oo.
I mean, it happens.
Oo. May point lang kasi na parang it's just stretched out to
Yeah.
the extreme. Alam mo yun? Parang like, I get na the romance is also necessary for self-growth. I feel like may ganun naman, which is not bad. Alam mo yun, sometimes you don't have to be your best self to be with someone. Alam mo yun, parang someone can come into your life and help you be your best self. 'Diba? So parang for me, yun yung nangyari sa kanila. Pero parang may mga points na parang like, bakit hindi ako na-elevate nung kwento? Parang hindi nagpo-progress. Parang hindi, yung tension is not going up.
Yeah.
Alam, may ganung vibe for me.
Ako lang ba yung hindi kinilig sa kanilang dalawa?
Oh, I don't wanna be bad.
No, I'm like straight
honestly.
up. And ito na naman yung frustrating because they're both so good.
Oo.
And grabe din naman mag-react si Go Yoon Jung sa mga pakyut ni Sono. Ganon din tayo mag-react doon.
Correct.
Pareho. Pero bakit hindi nakakakilig? Ako
Yeah.
talaga, as in, parang bakit wala silang chemi? Wala talaga eh.
Wala silang chemistry.
As in, hindi, yun yung sobrang flat sa akin. Kaya nga mas gusto ko nga si Go Yoon Jung lang and her journey. Because the two of them,
So, si Sonho
It's
for
so
you ang
odd.
problem?
not Sono. Wala,
It's just
silang
character.
dalawa.
Silang dalawa.
Walang chemi yung
Oo.
dalawa. Together.
Diba yung mga
Lalo
cute
na nung
nila?
nag-kiss sila. Yung parang
yung
magsisex
kiss
na.
Oo.
Yung kiss was
Such
weird.
a weird, like, really
weird.
Ito siguro
Pero
yung
parang medyo
parang
na-turn
ano.
on off.
Ito. Feeling ko kasi talaga, while watching it, ginagaslight ko sarili ko. Kasi Sono yun eh.
Oo.
We missed him. So parang
Parang
every
siya kasi
time he
nagubad.
does like his, like, you know, his little
mata-mata.
Mata-mata,
little-
correct. Pero parang siya naiiyak
mga ganon.
dito. May
Yung
ganun
mga-
siya
yung mga-
naluluha. Parang, sir, naluluha ka na naman. Oo, tama na.
Anyway, or yung dimple, ano
Oo,
niya,
correct.
nagpapakita
Oo,
siya ng
tama,
dimple,
tama,
nag-show
tama.
off siya ng dimple and stuff. I feel like the kilig was actually me kinikilig because, oh my God, Sono.
Oo,
alam mo
Sono,
yun.
not because of the two of them.
Because of the
Yes.
two.
Yes.
Wala
Alam mo
silang
yun.
chemistry.
Wala. Also, it's maybe an actor problem then. The age gap. Medyo
Feeling ko
malaki
yung
age gap
age
nila
gap
eh.
din, parang turn off yun sa akin. Eh.
Oo.
Di ba parang kahit nga yung Goblin, that's why I can't like.
Oo. Oo.
Feeling ko factor yun, pero parang minsan, Yok sa Singles Inferno din, meron dong couple, sobrang laki age gap. Kinilig
Oo.
ako eh.
Oo.
Wala, chemi
Tsaka yung
talaga.
sa sarili mong buhay, isipin mo na lang.
Pero wala talagang kilig eh, di ba? Wala silang chemi. For me, walang chemistry. They're like
Oo.
besties.
It's
Correct.
They're
strong,
good
ano.
friends for each other.
Yeah,
Pero
yeah.
parang, mas kilig pa ako sa kanila ni Japanese guy.
Actually,
Oh my God.
actually, mas nire-root ko pa yun.
Diba? From the first moment.
Pero kasi yun nga yung thing, parang sila kasing dalawa may tension eh.
Meron.
May tension nung start na parang, alam mo, and the script also offers that na parang they don't like each other from the start.
yeah.
Sila kasi, parang they like each other na, and
Yeah.
then it's weird.
Yeah.
Parang
Yeah.
how they like each other at the start was like, hindi mo masakyan kasi parang this girl is like throwing herself at this guy,
Oo.
and he has said so many times na wala mangyayari sa atin, at bato pa rin siya ng bato.
Oo.
And then biglang gusto na niya?
Oo.
Hindi ko
Yun yung
mag-guess.
hindi
Parang,
ko mag-guess.
bakit gusto mo na siya
Yung
bigla?
ano, di ba, they were separated by a train.
Yeah.
In Japan, when they were still in
Yeah.
Japan.
Oo.
And then biglang nag-throw siya ng mga lines na parang, I wanted to cross. I wanted to go to you or something like that.
Oo.
How? Like, why? Because the entire time you were just
Yeah.
like frowning. Kasi
Exactly.
parang, may dinner, mamaya, na
Yeah.
libre. Alam mo yun.
Oo
Parang,
nga, totoo.
like,
Yeah.
Hindi ko naman na-feel na may onting,
Yeah.
who's this
Daming
girl?
butas talaga
Ganon.
sa
Oo.
Yung
writing.
pinaka hindi ko maintindihan, parang, they were just in the corner. They were in Canada.
Oo.
And then parang reveal ni Hojin na parang go na dapat ako eh.
Oo.
But you confuse me. So,
Oh my
back
God, I
out.
hated that.
Back
I
out
hated
na
that
ulit
so
ako.
much. Oh my God.
Na parang napaano ako, wait lang, go ka na pala. And also two, back out agad. Ano ginawa niya?
Exactly. Sobrang litong-lito ko dun sa
Sobrang-
parang scene na yun na parang both of them were like, go, tas biglang, hindi. What changed? Kasi parang may dumaan na bus or something. I don't know. Is this the scene yung sa may crosswalk?
Yeah.
Diba?
Oo.
In Canada,
Oo.
And like
Correct.
Mui was like so confused na parang, what did I do? Or something like that.
Hindi, ito yung inassume kasi niya na ayaw na niya siya. Tama ba?
yeah.
Inassume ni Muhi. Kasi kumbaga, si Muhi kasi
Nakita
is
kasi niya
avoidant
nakasama.
eh.
Oo.
So every time she feels like things are going wrong,
Yeah.
she escapes before
Yeah.
ever like
yeah.
communicating the problem and finding a
Oo.
solution.
Yeah.
Or even basically revealing her true feeling.
True feeling. So parang, nainis siya kay kasi feeling niya dinadump na siya. So parang unahan na kita.
Oo,
ganon.
Pinangunahan niya. Pero yung confusing nga is, ganun kayo kagusto ang isa't isa. Hindi ko kasi talaga na-feel na they really like each
Oo.
other that much.
Oo.
See, that's why I was calling it difficult
Oo.
love. Because like, I don't get it. Like,
But I guess my question is it cultural? Kaya?
Yung
Ba, is it-
alin?
Kasi parang, I mean, like, we know naman in South Korean culture na parang so many subtleties in relationships. Diba? So baka, is it the subtleties na parang we're not attuned to because we're not Korean? May ganun bang
But I
angle?
feel like the storytelling should be
Mm.
universal.
Mm.
Like the things that we're pointing out, for example, the plot holes,
Oo.
that's not unique to a culture.
Oo.
I feel like maybe there are, I'm sure there are a
Oo.
lot of cultural nuances that we are missing.
Correct.
But just like objectively looking at the writing
Oo.
and the chemistry of the leads, I don't
Oo.
think that's like subject to culture. That's a universal thing.
Tama naman.
Mm.
Mm-mm.
oh my God.
Oo. So I guess we're all in the same.
Yeah.
Because I was actually thinking din na parang, marami pa akong notes dinelete ko yung iba eh. Kasi parang ako, hindi ako sure kung ako ba. Like, am I not getting it? Like, why am I not
is this
getting it?
consistent? Even
Oo.
you declaring na wala silang chemistry.
Oo,
Like,
wala akong
Parang nag-cross siya sa utak ko pero parang dinideny ng utak ko to
Ah,
acknowledge
gets.
it.
Oo.
Yeah.
Like, why?
Oo.
Yeah.
correct. Happier parts. What did you guys think about, how it was shown, the visualization of it all? So I
Oh,
wanna know
nice.
kung ano sa tingin nyo. Kasi parang, since it's a Hong Sister show, di ba, parang very fantastical, marami silang pinasok.
Thank you, Chanel. It's what
My
I'm gonna
God,
say.
yeah.
Because if you love me, you just me and Chanel. You say love me and just me and Chanel.
Yes.
Yun talaga yun
Grabe.
eh. As in, like, grabe.
The sponsorship is
Chanel na
sponsoring.
Siguro kaya hate na hate ko yung crosswalk scene kasi nakabini si Mui.
Na may
Tapos
malaking
sa
Chanel. Sobrang nakakainis yun.
Tapos,
Ryu, makinig ka.
Sobrang laki
Sa
niya.
payong.
It's like a third character.
Totoo.
Like, kasi
Oo
direct
nga.
Kathy yan sabihin, alam mo, yan,
Actually,
nagmemeron
at
yan.
some point, na
Gaganon
makikita
yan.
mo na parang, oh my God, panibago na namang quilted bag. As in general, her costume became her third character. It didn't really support her character.
Oo. As in, parang naka-Chanel hunting ka na lang.
Correct.
Yun na-
True.
yun yung- yun
pa
Magkano
naman
kayang
inis
suot
ko.
niya ngayon?
Oo.
Ganon. Totoo. Agree. Siguro visuals on my end, like, the settings are amazing. Canada looks so good.
Oh my
As
God.
in, parang,
Made me wanna
For
travel
the
to
first
Canada.
time in my life, because I have a
Oo.
lot of family in
Oo.
Canada, and they're always like, come here. And I'm like, why?
Gagawin din dyan.
Why? And they
Oo.
always say, like, you can see the northern stars from our backyard. They're always like that.
Wow!
Like, kasi sa Alberta din sila. And then they were in
Oh.
Alberta, diba? So I was like, okay, anak, may reason na tayo pumunta
Oo.
sa Canada.
Correct.
At hindi ang ating pamilya.
Correct. Ang maghanap ng K-drama locations.
Oo,
diba?
correct. Yun
At ang,
talaga.
at ang, Aurora Borealis.
To be fair nga, sobrang successful. If may partnership sila
Correct.
with like
Totoo.
tourism in the
Oh, di ba sila
cities,
solar
ano?
din galing doon?
Correct,
Kasama
same
yun sa buy one,
area.
take one deal eh.
Like, sobrang
Oh,
nakatulong.
sisters din ba sila?
I didn't imagine nga na Canada, at least, especially that part of Canada, will be part of my list.
Yeah.
I
Sa
wanted to
Banff.
go Stan.
Correct. And
Correct.
bad.
Oo. Mm-mm.
Right? With the steam clock and all that
True.
stuff. Like, parang,
I really like that part of Japan that they went to. Parang siyang sa exchange.
Yeah.
Correct. Di ba may
For
extended
sure.
exchange na gano'n?
Correct, yung may train. Oo, yung train na
Mm.
luma. Pero
Correct.
makulay. Ganda.
for sure.
Ganda
Sakto
nun.
pa nung pinanood ko yung kakagaling ko lang ng yung show.
Oo,
Kakagaling ko lang
oo.
ng Japan. Tapos
Oo.
parang favorite ko nga yung seeing Mount Fuji and all that.
Correct.
Yung Mount Fuji, oh shucks, I forget the town. Pero parang it's water
Fuji
and
town.
then Fuji.
Oo.
Parang, kumbaga, naisip ko, oh my God, there are many views pa to see
Correct.
Fuji.
Mount
There are
Fuji.
like places to see Fuji.
Oo.
So parang, time to go back.
Oo,
Parang
correct.
ganon.
Explore the different parts
Na-excite ako.
around
Sobrang
Fuji.
na-excite ako.
Mm-mm.
And also Italy. Italy's always been my
True.
love. And
Oo.
ano city ba sila? Siena or I forget. But
They were in many cities. They were in Florence. They went, but mostly in Tuscany. Mas Tuscany yung region na
mga
pinuntahan
orchard,
nila.
oh. But the city, I forget which. Parang
Were
na-research
they in
ko na
Rome?
yun eh. No, they were in Rome. They didn't, na-search ko na yun.
Mm.
They didn't, tsaka they never said it. It just says Italy.
Ah.
So,
Actually, nakakatawa yung sinabi ni Sonho. Yung parang like, pag nasa Italy ako, dito ako tumitira. Parate? Parang
Yeah,
medyo
eh.
malayo to sa main city eh.
diba?
Parang, why do you like this place so much?
Correct.
And he actually has like his own place. I thought it was like an Airbnb. Alam mo
Oo,
yun? But
correct,
no,
correct.
it's his
Hindi.
own place. Like,
Oo.
wow, he's fucking rich, man.
Yeah?
Parang Nico Bet talaga yung mga sad boy Sonho. Alam mo
Oo,
yun?
oo.
Parang like hometown cha-cha-cha, meron siyang sad boyness.
Oo.
Pero kasi layered yung sad boyness niya. Dito parang like, sad boy all the time.
Yeah.
Correct.
Alam mo yun?
Yung
Parang at
pinaka
some
sad
point,
boy niya,
oh.
yung ano yun? Startup.
Pero layered.
Pero
Pagkakaiba
maganda kasi,
Oo.
parang super,
Hindi siya
like,
in your face sad
sobrang
boy.
na ano kasi na hash out yung backstory niya.
Oh,
Correct,
basically.
oo. Dito kasi wala eh.
Ito,
Parang-
ang ganda ng bahay niya though.
Diba?
Ang ganda
Parang
nun.
poor little rich boy.
Correct.
Ang ganda ng
Pero ang ganda ng
museum
bahay.
house.
Tsaka yung malaking bintana. Parang like, I wanna
Isn't
see
that
nga.
Bushik's house also in ano? In
Yun yung thought
Mexico,
process
diba?
ko. Parang like, inisip ko anong meaning nun in the story na parang meron siyang malaking picture window
Oo, oo.
in his house, always in his house. So what does it mean in terms of story or rather characters inspired niya yun? Like, parang, because he's such an introverted person, like he keeps within himself, the picture window is his eye towards the world. Parang ganun.
And then he keeps like artifacts, I guess.
Artifacts. Stuck to the past.
Yeah, stuck to the
Oo.
past siya.
Mm-mm.
I mean, mandun naman yung mga symbolisms and all that
Oo,
jazz.
oo.
It's
Correct.
pretty.
Oo.
Again, like I said, ang dami namang
Mm.
mga, alam mo yun, money here.
Oo.
Pero hindi siya popcorn. Wow.
Oo.
Ano
Parang
klase
ano nga
yun?
yun, kaya nga yung, I mean, going back nga, parang really want to like it so much because they tried.
Yeah.
They really tried. Like, all the elements are there. Unfortunately, it just didn't mesh. Hong Sisters call us. We wanna know why. Yun lang.
Actually, okay lang. Feeling ko magulo silang kausap.
Actually, gusto ko sila
Hindi ko na
makilala
sila
para
gusto.
masama ako sa iba nilang show.
Di ba yun yung sinabi ko? I think when I was watching the first few
Oo.
episodes, I was like, I really wanna know. I wanna get to
what's
know the
going on?
Hong
Oo.
sisters. Ano
Oo.
ang pinagdaanan nila at ba't ganito
Correct.
yung nila? Parang
Totoo.
ganun.
Alam ba natin yung mga tunay nilang pangalan? Margaret and Jessica Hong. Okay. All right. So,
Joshua.
Josh Hua. Okay. So, so this show nga is about love, 'di ba? And how these two people learn to love each other because of each other. What? but you get it. Okay, so I wanna know, sa mga love lessons, I guess, na na-impart ng show na to, kahit na I know we have like some issues with the storytelling and all that, I'm sure may mga na-pick up tayo ng mga love lessons. Which of these really struck you? And did you think na, maybe I could have used this in some, part of my life?
I'm gonna admit something. So, hindi naman siya OA. But basically, in your first question, like yung what is the one word
Oo.
na you wanna describe this drama.
Oo.
Yung confusion bit, parang attached doon yung naisip ko, or maybe parang it felt like pinush ko na isipin.
Oo.
Na-confused ako kasi why do I don't like the show? Maybe it's because ang daming patapon sa akin na ikaw kasi hindi ka magaling na, me as Monica,
Oo.
hindi ako magaling na communicator. So, ang daming mga stuff in the past na parang, I wish I was able to express this and that, blah, blah, blah. So, was that the reason why, one of the reasons why I'm confused? Pero hindi rin pala. Kasi parang pangit din pala writing.
Pero ako, I'm a bad communicator as well. So, are you? Yeah.
I am.
A bad communicator?
Yeah.
So, I guess that's why. Okay. Problem solved. Kami ang problema.
Oh, wait, no. I'm a good communicator because that's my job. But like in real life, in
express
relationships.
in relationships. Oo.
Like, I know I have the tendency to wall up, all that stuff.
Oo.
Ano nga umabot sa point na parang, masyado ata akong hojin na. Tapos parang, parang
Shit.
niinis ako. Like, niisip ko talaga, kaya ba ako naiinis sa show na to? Kasi naiinis ako dahil nakikita ko sarili ko. Parang may ganon. But at the same time, or pinipilit ko lang bang isipin yon? Kasi nga, naghahanap ako ng reason to understand why I don't like it or not like it.
Okay.
Why I don't like it or why I should like it, etc. etc.
Oo.
Although there is truth to that din
Oo.
naman. Because
Oo.
like, definitely, stuff has happened in the past and even until now, like, I am still trying to figure out how to express. This podcast is a very great way to do it,
True.
honestly.
Don't go to
Kasi-
therapy. Do a
Hindi
podcast.
naman, pero definitely nakatulong siya sa isang layer of like, shyness. Alam mo yun?
Gets.
Kasi,
Oo nga.
yeah.
Finding
I'm
your
not
words.
I'm not that kind
Correct.
of person kasi na
Yeah.
parang I'm confident or free
Oo.
to say just about anything.
Correct.
But
Oo.
you guys bring it out of me. So,
Love it. So, which part nga? So, yun. Like,
Yeah.
you want whatever they've shown there to, you can use it now, in your life now. Parang ganun.
kasi ang dami na ng problema eh.
Oo.
Diba? Kumbaga hindi na naman, I feel like, effective siya sa pagpakita na kailangan tong pag-usapan, pag-aralan, himayin, etc. Whatever
Correct.
it is that you're going through with a partner, with
Oo.
any relationship actually.
Mm-mm.
But in terms of like giving actual solutions, I don't think it was there din naman eh. Alam mo yun? It's
Actually,
still,
medyo gripe ko din yun.
Diba?
Parang like, they post a problem about mental health, but they
Oo.
never really did show a solution to it.
Exactly.
Yeah, diba?
Kasi parang may resistance pa.
Oo nga
Why
eh.
am I gonna see a therapist?
Correct.
Parang may ganun pang
Oo.
linyahan si
Yeah.
ano, diba?
Oo.
Si Muhi.
Parang she's more concerned about like, is she gonna die? Parang may ganun yun.
Oo.
But not so much as like, am I mentally okay?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Parang walang ganun.
Oo.
I don't know what I want to apply, but definitely nakatulong na napaalala sa akin na, ang dami mo pang kailangan ayusin or
Correct.
i-analyze,
Oo.
ano mo yun,
Figure out.
figure out,
Oo.
and that we are humans and we are always progressing.
True that.
And that's okay.
Oo,
Yeah.
correct.
So,
One step at a time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Step by the step. Correct. How about you, Pia?
For me, ito rin kasi yung beef ko sa exchange na sobrang nagustuhan ko dito is that when you love somebody, every part of that person, including the demons, including the worst part of that person. Kasi sa exchange, may isang lalaki doon porket nagsusoul searching yung babae, brinekan niya,
Totoo.
gago.
Ay, nako.
Diba?
Gago.
Pero nagkabalikan sila. Anyway, parang dito, diba? Like, parang si Muhi, like, that is like, for her, the blackest side of her person. And yun yung person na laging nagpapakita kay Hojin. And Hojin still accepted and loved her not despite of it, including.
Including.
As in including.
Correct.
And yun, parang maybe for me, I'm just really so lucky to have found that kind of person. Hala, bakit ako maiyak?
Aww.
Because parang going through relationships, syempre pinapakita mo yung best side of you eh.
True that.
And even if like in the past, before I met my husband, parang I've had like long relationships naman lagi, pero hindi ko talaga pinapakita all of me. And syempre kapag yung me and my husband almost together magsa 17 years na all in all, so syempre may mga bagay na wala, mapapakita ko na lang kahit di ko sinasadya, like bad sides of me.
Yeah.
And yet, he's just like always supporting, accepting, and I'm like, okay lang pala yun. Parang may ganon. Like, meron palang tao na pwede pa rin akong i-accept kahit na ganito, yung parts of me that I wanna conceal. So, yun yung pleasant and love that they showed that I really appreciate because I think that's what love is supposed to be.
True that.
It's
Oo.
very like just loving every part, not just cherry picking. Ito lang yung gusto ko sa'yo kapag ikaw si Chamuhi. Parang yun lang yung gusto kong side mo.
Oo.
Hindi ganon. So that's what I really appreciated. Kahit na hindi ako kinilig, pero ang ganda nung messaging na ganon. Ganon dapat.
Oh, agree.
Yeah.
Parang, I mean, very same. I guess as a fellow Leo, we're very prideful.
Correct.
Alam mo yon, parang we don't want to show our parts of ourselves that I feel like would diminish that pride, maybe.
Yeah.
So parang that's also my learning, I guess, love learning here na parang yung especially yung part towards the end, nung parang sinasabi na nung tito tsaka na tita ni Muhi na parang hindi, ito yung ginawa niya. Ito pa yun. Tas parang, and then sinabi ni Muhi na, hindi, actually, alam na ni Hojin lahat eh.
Oo.
Parang, I guess yung learning ko, na
Yeah.
parang like, if you want to start a serious relationship, and to show your seriousness, tell the truth.
Yeah.
Bare your soul.
Yes.
Alam mo yun, like, that's the best you can do for yourself and for your partner. Kasi at least, parang alam na niya na ito ka.
Oo.
Alam mo yun. And parang comfortable ka na enough na nabigay mo na lahat. Wala ka nang tinatago. Kasi
Yeah.
ako din, ganun ako. Parang like, every time I start a relationship, parang like, I would always like hide massive parts of myself.
Yes.
Alam mo yun, always the best parts. And once makita na nila ng konti, I move away. I'm always afraid to be rejected for who I am. But, ang tanda na natin. Wala nang ganyan. Comfortable na tayo sa pagiging tayo. Alam mo yun?
Yeah.
Alam mo yun? So, parang, embarking in that journey naman ngayon as I turn 40 this year, no? So, parang, opening myself to love is being truthful about who I am and sharing my life in every aspects of it to that person.
Yeah.
Bahala na siya kung gusto niya o hindi. Kung ayaw mo, di wag.
Oh, then you don't deserve all this.
Don't deserve all this. Pero kung sabihin mo naman sa akin na, pwede yung pag-usapan, o di pag-usapan natin. I'm sure naman, I mean, we can still all change, di ba? Especially if that means like a better relationship with the other person. So, pwede man tayong mag-tweak ng konti. Pag-usapan natin.
Yeah.
Communicate.
Two-way.
Exactly.
It's a two-way street.
Exactly. It's a two-way street. Kaya nung dulo nung show, may dalawang trend.
Correct.
Oo, diba? It's a two-way train. Okay, so yun natin mga love lessons. Sarang Base, kung umabot pa kayo dito, ano ang mga love lessons na realize nyo as you watched this show? Share it with us. We want to know so we can learn about love even more deeply.
Na-realize ko lang. Kasi si Hojin, ang dami niya nang alam na languages. Tapos si Mui, paulit-ulit siya. Kasi even si Japanese guy,
Oo.
learned freaking Korean just to be
Diba?
able to communicate.
Oo.
And then paulit-ulit si Mui na, I should really learn Japanese or something like that.
She never did.
She never did.
Oo.
And, well, hindi naman niya kailangan with Hojin, pero parang point is, anong ginagawa mo, girl? Wala akong gagawin. Wala akong effort.
Alam mo si Hiro nga, siya yung may pinaka-progression dito.
Oo.
sa show. Parang like, parang okay, honestly, medyo hindi ko bet yung acting ng lalaki nito minsan.
But
Parang,
he's so cute.
he is so cute. Pagbibigyan ko siya.
I know, even the charm,
Oo,
ano.
diba? Parang, alam mo yun, and then towards the end, parang, oh my God, masya action action na, audition.
Tapos yung kasi hindi siya nag-audition talaga, pero gusto niyang,
Pero gusto niya.
sobrang gusto niya, and he wants to prove that he deserved it.
Oo, correct.
So, ginawa niya.
Yes, ginawa niya.
That's like him also taking down the wall. Kasi
True
confidence
that.
issue din siya eh.
True
Like,
that.
what if ma-reject
Oo,
siya? Parang
correct.
yun yung,
Oo.
ang ganda nun.
Oo.
And actually, ang wish ko sa kanya, yung manager niya, sobrang chicks din niya eh.
Actually, akala ko nga
Akala
magkakatuluyan
ko rin
sila.
eh.
May ganun.
Sana sila na lang.
Or sana kami na lang. Okay, speaking of kami na lang, yun yung tanong ni Monica kay Kim Son Ho. Sana tayo na lang. Ano bang feelings mo, Mon, ngayon na nakabalik ni Son Ho? Kahit na hindi mo masyadong gusto yung drama niya. Ano ang naramdaman mo?
Oh my gosh.
Nung nakita
I
mo
mean,
siya. Real quick na lang.
Real quick? Kung makita ko siya?
Hindi, I mean, real quick answer na lang.
Okay. Nakakakilig pa rin.
Oo.
As in, salamat sa mga mata-mata, sa mga, yung favorite ko talaga yung parang pag may onting twitch dito sa corner ng
Oo.
lips niya na
Correct.
parang,
Oo, true.
nakakamiss. Like, it took me back to 2022.
Oo.
Wow.
Long time ago.
Yeah, and I'm just so happy. And, my gosh, like, more than the physical cuteness, you know how he's really dedicated. The fact that he learned so many languages.
Yeah.
And he sounded so good. Hindi siya yung
Yeah.
pilit.
Amazing.
Hindi siya yung pilit para lang masabi ng Italiano siya or
Correct.
whatever. Like, talagang
I
praktisado.
was telling one nga, parang when you were watching it na, kailangan kong maalala na hindi nga pala siya marunong mag-English sa 2 days, 1
Totoo!
night.
Totoo yan!
Di ba? Siya yung sobrang bobito sa 2 days, 1 night ka-level ni Jongmin.
Correct.
Sorry, nag-English.
Yeah.
Anyway.
So he really, I mean, again, he obviously put so much time and effort to make sure that he delivered.
Correct.
And he did. Kulang lang sa
Super.
Kemi. But at
Dapat
least
kasi
na-check
isa na lang
niya
sa
yung
atin.
iba.
O ikaw na lang pala. So, isa sa atin. Hindi pala kayo open. So, ikaw na lang pala.
Oo.
Kayo na lang.
Mga sobrang nag-focus din kasi siya sa language. Ang dami niya kasi iniisip. Nakalimutan niya na yung chemistry sa co-actress niya or
Totoo
something.
yan.
But it's okay, baby.
It's okay, baby.
May iba pa coming. Can't wait.
Totoo. Oh my God. I mean, ako, parang like just watching him, he's such a fantastic actor talaga.
Yeah.
I love kasi how nuanced he is. And I guess siguro parang yun din yung konting, pag nagagantong angle siya, serious type of character, parang kaya pa rin niya i-inject yung parang funniness.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun? Yung parang, I wished he did it more here. Parang minsan kasi medyo yung sad boy intense na eh. Pero I wish like he injected more of that like quirkiness into the role. Parang ganun. But yun yung nami-miss ko talaga sa kanya na parang he's like the little details that he puts into the character. I love it as in.
Yeah.
Saya panoorin.
I'm so glad that he's back. Like, as in, parang since it's such a huge deal that it's Netflix Hong Sisters.
Do that.
And Go Yeon-jong is right now a celebrated leading lady in Korea. So that just means that there's more to come for Sonho in
Yes.
terms of K-drama. So that's what I'm most looking forward to because we've seen him at his peak, at his best when he has good chemistry with his lead actress. So parang yun na lang. That's what I'm looking forward to next.
Oo.
Yes.
So Kim Son Ho, glad you're back, sir.
So happy.
So happy. You recovered from all that insanity.
Yeah.
And you're now here with us on our 9th season.
Oh my God.
Diba?
Season 1, pinag-usapan na natin.
Season 1 siya at ngayon 9th season siya pa din pinag-uusapan natin. Okay, so to wrap this discussion up, quick rating na lang guys. Okay, so from 1 to 5, 5 as the highest, how would you rate the show?
3
3. Okay.
over 5.
3
Do I
over
have to
5.
explain it?
No need na.
Okay,
I think
3.
we've explained profusely.
Yes.
Ako, I think 3.5 for me.
Me, same. I give it 3.5. Go Yeon-jong, I love her.
Go
Sige na nga,
Yeon-jong.
4 pala for Go
Oo,
Yeon-jong.
oo, sige, 4 for Go Yeon-jong. Okay. So, yon ang rating namin. So, Sarang Base, ano ang rating nyo? Let us know in the comment section or message nyo kami sa aming socials. Make sure you're following us, ha? And do not forget, hindi pa tapos ang laban natin because we have finished our discussion, but we are still going for a game. And it's gonna be exciting kasi magkakasama kami
I
ngayon.
know.
Let's get into it. So, we're here to play our game. Woo! And sa mga Sarang Base na matagal nang nanonood sa amin, alam nyo na love namin tong game to. It's called Mind Meld. And
Bagong-bago.
bagong-bago. Pero kasi ang saya ngayon kasi magkakasama kami
Yes,
tatlo.
correct.
So, we wanna know kung sino ang magma-mind meld
Okay.
this episode.
Sinong, sinong may Kemi?
Sinong may
Hala!
Yeah.
Stress!
Kasi si Kim Son Ho tsaka si Go
Go Yeon-jong.
Unfortunately, lacked some chemi.
Mm.
Okay. So, ang mangyayari, one
Hindi
round
kasi
lang
nila
naman.
nilaro to eh.
Dapat talaga nag-mind meld sila buong araw.
Oo.
In many different languages.
That's correct.
Okay. So, people know kung paano ang mind meld, di ba? So, mind meld is basically may isang tao, in our setup specifically, magbibigay ng isang word, and then yung dalawang maglalaro will have to get to a word that is related to that word.
We'll say a word.
We'll say a word each
related.
ng sabay,
Oo.
and then it has to be the same word. Okay, so
Oo,
they have
related
to
the first
go
word.
through many words until umabot sila sa same word. Okay? Kaya
Yes.
mind meld. Alright? So, 3 rounds lang naman. So, it's gonna be
Yes.
me, Mon and Pia, and then Pia and me.
Okay.
And then kung sino hindi kasama, siya yung magbigay ng word na yun.
Yes.
And the word has to be related to the show Can This Love Be Translated.
Okay.
So, the sequence will be me and Mon and Pia, Pia and Jency.
Okay.
Alright? Okay. So, shall we begin, Pia?
Okay, so...
Wait lang. Meron pa pala tayong timer. May timer ba to?
Wala
pala.
Hanggang sa mag...
Chika lang.
Pareho
Hanggang sa
kayo.
umabot lang.
Okay, so the word is opera.
Opera!
In 3, 2, 1.
Italy.
Chemi,
Grabe
that's
yung chemi nila, in fairness. Grabe. Grabe. Grabe.
Okay.
Natuwa mo siya.
Ano ba? Okay, and 3. Ako pala. Ako magbibigay ng word.
Ng
So,
word.
it's gonna be Mon and Pia.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Simplihan mo lang muna.
I know. Okay.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Papago.
Papago. Okay.
Papago.
Okay.
Okay. 3,
Oh, no.
2, 1, and...
Korean.
Reverse.
Okay,
Ah.
okay.
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 Right.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Idol.
Oh! I mean, lapit
Okay,
na.
okay,
lapit
okay.
na. 3, 2, 1.
17.
Babalik sa 17. Yes. Okay.
Uy, ang fun
Ano,
nito.
ilang rounds yun? Mga 3.
Oo.
3?
rounds.
Okay.
Okay. Girl, let's go. Go.
Sige.
Okay.
Anong word?
Okay, ang word is four-leaf clover.
Wow.
Okay.
4-leaf clover. 4-leaf clover.
Hindi na po siya nagbe-blink.
Threat na siya.
4-leaf clover as a threat. 4-leaf clover.
Ano yung mga distress signal? Okay.
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 4-leaf clover.
In 3,
Simplihan mo lang.
Oh,
yun,
simple
ah.
lang to.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
Grass.
Ah, shit.
Ah, shit.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
And in 3, 2, 1, go.
Green.
Aw, this friendship.
Ang galing! I love it. I love it so much. Oh my God, how fun is it? I know. How fun is it to know na after 20 years, same utak tayo. No? So yun.
Love it.
Okay, Sarang Base. Kayo ba ay same sa utak namin? Nakuha niyo ba ang mga words na sinasabi namin? Let us know in the comment section. And also let us know kung ano ang mga thoughts niyo once again about Can This Love Be Translated. Did you like it? Nabitin ba kayo? Gusto niyo pa ba ng iba? Or did you love this show? Let us know. We want to know kung bakit. Okay, so that has been our episode, guys. Thank you so much for being here with us. This has been fun. Share this episode with your friends. We are on YouTube, Spotify, and Apple Podcasts. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. See you on our next episode.
Yes, it's gonna be fun.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun. Thank you guys. You're the best. Gumawa, Chegoya, and Saranghey! Woohoo! Nakita natin si Kim Son Ho in many films, I guess, na film and shows. In 2 of those films, tumatakbo siya. 'Di ba? So sa Tyrant, and then he was also running in When Life Gives You Tangerines.
Also, in Startup.
And in Startup, mahilig tumakbo ang ating Kim Son Ho. And
Yes.
dito, tumakbo din siya. Ganon. So, may tanong ako, kung ipapatakbuhin nyo si Kim Son Ho sa isang TV show pa, saan nyo siya? Anong genre naman? Anong genre ng show nyo siya
Takbo?
papatakbuhin?
Olympics.
Runner.
Runner.
Uy,
Oo,
he did
tama.
take up running recently, sabi niya sa isang interview.
Talaga?
Yes. I
I guess
yes.
yes.
Baka pwede din siyang mag-marathon sa Antarctica.
Ay, pwede.